Hi friends, welcome back to day 4. Yesterday you learned about sleep and its importance for a healthier and faster recovery. Today you are going to learn about the next change. It's about hydration. Water is an important nutrient to get an edge to fitness routine, but we overlook it. Ignoring hydration can prove to be a costly mistake. From athlete standpoint or anyone who is physically active, hydration is important. It protects performance, makes you feel good during exercise, and fasten recovery. Water is the most abundant compound in your body. 60 to 70% of your body weight is water weight. Blood is about 90% water, muscles are 70% water, bones are 20% water. Water has many roles in our body. It regulates body temperature, transport nutrients, build tissues, and remove waste from cells. We also require it for joint lubrication, brain function, digestion, blood circulation, respiration, absorption, and excretion. Without water, nothing can work properly. Everything gets out of balance, so our health and well-being. Even weight loss goals get imbalanced. So take care that you are providing your body enough water. Water and recovery. Water is a good solution for many health conditions, but our focus is quick recovery and relief from pain. Muscle soreness and pain are a part of fitness routine when one gets started. It shouldn't stop you as it will ease within 2 to 3 days. So there is no reason to quit the fitness routine. Hold for few days and you won't regret the choice you made. When you start with fitness routine, lactic acid build up in the muscle. Intense the fitness routine, more the lactic acid will be produced. It's a reason we are going slow taking care of recovery. The lactic acid buildup can be a concern, but drinking water can overcome the issue. Water helps to get rid of lactic acid. It also relieves sore muscle and prevent muscle cramps. It is found that an adequate amount of water can help tolerate more pain. If you feel soreness, dry mouth, feeling tired or fatigued, it's best to drink a glass of water. You can also try coconut water to restore your electrolyte. Avoid sugar-loaded drinks. Plain water is always the best option. You might wonder about the quantity of water to drink, but water intake differs from person to person depending on environment and other factors. It's tough to give an exact quantity, but you should listen to your body as it is the best guide. Your body will signal you to drink water. Listen to it and you will do the best. Often we try to look for exact and best measurement, making every simple process complex. Don't let perfection drive you crazy. Your body knows the best for you. Have trust in it. That's all for today. Tomorrow you will know the reason to start a fitness routine. For today, you can continue with the workout routine.